fingers. Oh, that's
Oh,
sad.
my phone just hard.
Oh my god. I'm scared.
It's like Barbara Streisand. Go down. It makes you look like the carny.
Look at this one.
No, go down. Put your head down like that.
Look like a puppy dog.
Go down what?
Put your head down.
Oh my god.
Family full of carnies.
Let's all get in on this.
Hey.
Look at Ashley's head. Oh my god.
She looks like Mars Attacks.
Oh, Ashley.
I look like McLovin.
Ashley looks like a cone head. Go up a little higher.
Ooh. I look like Planet of the Apes.
Oh. How'd you get a big nose like that?
I became Jewish.
You gotta go in the middle. Look how little
I'm
my
a Jew.
I'm laughing at you. I'm laughing so hard my eyes. I look like a... That's so awful.
You are one sexy.
Now I see why Dad married you.
Yeah. What do you think, Bobby? You still love me? What about now?
Oh my god. Ashley, how'd you get your mouth little? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That one's so bad.
Oh my god. My eyes are like on the other side of my head.
Turn your face, like, just keep it down like that and turn your head.
Turn your head a little sideways.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's funny.
How'd you get your mouth little?
Tilt your, like, head forward. It's angry face.
Look at Ashley. Oh my, Jay Leno. Look at Ashley.
I got the Jay Leno thing down.
Oh, that is really scary. Here, take it.